Next point is hand tracing a program. Hand tracing a program means if you write a program, now when you are executing a program, before running it into the machine, how the program, whether the program will give you a correct result or not, that you can find out by using hand tracing a program. Hand tracing a simple debugging process for locating hard to find errors in a program with different input values. Execute the program by hand and then try to find out the errors if there is exist with all possible different possible combination of inputs. If your program executes successfully by hand, then you can say that your program is correct, and now you can convert that flowchart or the pseudocode in a corresponding programming language, and you can use that application for latter purpose. So it helps you to locate errors that are not obvious by using hand tracing. It will be useful for locating uncommon errors. Okay, this is also known as desk checking because instead of computer debugging, it is actually performed on a desk with paper and pen. So that's why the desk checking. It is often helpful in finding mathematical mistakes, like the way you solve a mathematical problem. To hand trace a program, you construct a chart, a column for each variable, a row for each line, and you step through each statement, observing the operation that is taking place, and then record the value that each variable will hold after the statement execute. That means it is like a table where each of the column will be a variable in that particular table. Here, this is can be variable L name. Here, the salary variable is there. Here, say hours, the person who worked, and this can be the rate, and this can be salary. Now, for each line of statement, there is a for particular employee, what is the value of that L name, what is the rate, what is the hour, what is the salary, that you have to write here. Say, for example, at the beginning you have some L name like A, or some L name like, say, my name is, and then the rate is not still defined, so it is a question mark. So similarly, this is a question mark at line statement 1. In statement 2, you have the same value of that variable, but now you accept the rate from the user. So rate is a $5 per minute, and then hours, let's say like 30 minutes. So that now the next is yet not executed. The next line, the same value will be present, and also yet not executed in the third line. So like this way, here you calculated, and the value will be 150. Okay, 30 minutes, $5, $150. So like this way, you can check the value of each variable in at each statement, and then you can check at which place this value is actually changing and getting the wrong output.